Good morning there. We are working on the cabinet doors and drawers today, and hopefully we can get this installed before the morning is over. So let's get some doors cut.
Starting off here with a 3/4 inch plywood cut to 2 feet by Home Depot. I'm just going to cut the doors, cut them to size, and check to make sure that they fit before installing them, before painting them, before doing all the things.
All right, now we hit them with the Krieg. Krieg. And this is going to be for the door holes. So let's cut them bad boys.
These door hinges I picked up from Home Depot as well, and installing them are pretty simple. And then there's some screws in the door hinges that you can adjust to make it fit just right. It's pretty awesome.
Actually turning out pretty good. It's my first time doing these kind of doors, where they sit over the frame. I've done one that sit in the frame once. So I'm just trying to, get better at carpentry, and turns out those hinges do a lot of magic. As long as you cut the board straight and your cabinets are straight, which is a lot of pieces. But it turned out pretty good, so I'm happy, and we'll continue going forward. What's up? Say ball? Can you say ball?
Ball.
Alrighty, I'm back again. I'm putting in some drawers. I'm just gonna do 2 for now on the far right side, and these are bottom mount slide sets that I got from Home Depot. Never used them before. So I hope they're fairly straightforward to put in, and I hope they work good. I've used some other drawer slides from Home Depot, and honestly, I haven't liked them. Alright, so here's 2 of the slides that I think attach to the actual drawer. And then here's, I don't know what all this is. Soft close. Okay, so this shows you how wide your drawers are supposed to be, which is the width of your cabinet minus an inch for the frameless. So mine is 21 inches inside. So then the drawer would be 20 inches. Quick note, these are the face frame adapters. I don't have a face frame, so I don't need these. Pretty cool that they come with them though. I sprayed some WD-40 on it. Let's check it again. Much better.
I did have some problem getting the drawer front on and measured correctly. The wall was a little bit bowed, so there's that. But I will give a little bit of tip a little bit later on how to do these a little easier. And if you have any insight into how to make it easier, let me know in the comments as well. Still trying to find the best way.
Hello and good morning there. Today we are doing some more of the Vanity. My nose is running. We're going to be wood filling the doors and the drawers. We're We're going to be sanding. We're going to be painting, hopefully. Anyways, let's jump into it. Boop.
Before sanding and painting, I labeled all of the fronts and marked where the top left corner was so I wouldn't do them wrong and then try to install them and they didn't fit. This is a ton of help, so make sure you do it. Next up, we're taking this premium wood filler and filling in some of the holes as well as the side of the plywood. The plywood has, the plywood layers on the side, and to make it more professional looking, you can just take some wood filler, put it on there, let it dry, and then sand it smooth. And so whenever you paint, it will be finished smooth.
Wow, the dog's going crazy. All right, we're gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna come back, sand it, and then paint it sometime. Wow, did y'all hear that? Also, this shot's pretty tight. Alrighty, welcome back to another day. Today we are painting the lovely cabinet doors and drawer fronts. Hello, dogs. Hello, Junebug. Hello, Wendy. It's a beautiful day out here. So, it's a good day to be alive. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe, get that follow, check out the links in the bio, and let's get into painting. Alrighty.
Unfortunately, trying to spray this, it did not work. I ended up getting it to work, and then it burnt out. Literally, I could smell a burn. And I've only used this paint sprayer twice, and so that's super disappointing. So I just rolled it on. Voila, we're good. Now we're going to put the doors and the drawers in. And now, since I already pre-drilled everything, it didn't take too long. It's just to these drawer fronts. Now, I marked a line in the back of the front where the cabinet and the front would sit, and then I screwed it in from there. This worked out really good. Even painting on the back side didn't cover up the little bit of line that I did. So I just lined it up, and voila, pretty good. Now we're moving on to the hardware. I measured a couple inches down to where it makes sense to pull the drawers, not too high up, but not too far down either. And a few inches worked perfectly fine.
So we've been using the Vanity for a couple weeks now, I think, 2, 3, 4 weeks now maybe. But everything is working out really good. There are a couple things that I need to clean up, but we're gonna save that for the final video of the series where we walk through some shelves that I built, as well as the mirrors and some of that stuff that I'm trying to keep secret. But yeah, these turned out really good. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know in the comments. And thank y'all for watching, for sticking around. Hit that subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Alrighty.